and set them under the car to make sure it doesn't rock. If we had a person inside of here, we would not want to further injure them, right? So we are going to ensure that these vehicles are secure from any movements. You'll see Firefighter Gephardt over there and Lieutenant McLaughlin are going to start to deploy what's called a strut system on the back of this gray car. That system is going to support the weight of that vehicle, and they're going to pull the vehicle towards our rescue truck to keep it tight so it can't rock.
You guys can move closer a little bit.
On the bottom here, you see one of our firefighters is taking the glass out of the windshield so we can access any patients that might be inside, while the crew from Rocky Run is setting up what's called a box or Wimpy style stabilization with wood blocks on the blue car on the left. Captain Mills over here just set down what is commonly referred to as the jaws of life. These are the Hurst spreaders and Hurst cutters over here. They are hydraulic tools capable of taking the doors and the roof and the entire steering wheel, the dash of your car, the seat of your car completely off. Rescue 50 on the right here is going to get a chain hooked up to the bottom of this overturned gray car. That chain is going to be tightened against the back of the truck so they can't move. You'll see them tighten that chain up here momentarily. Firefighter Matt Singer from Rocky Run over here is going to start taking the door off this blue car and use the Jaws of Life combination rescue tool. McLaughlin on the right, as you can see towards the front of this gray car, we'll begin using hydraulic cutters to remove the front post of his car so we can actually roll the roof of this gray vehicle to the ground and slide a patient directly past to waiting EMS. Part of the job of Captain Mills over here is to ensure the operation goes as planned. Captain Mills is essentially the boss out here, right? So he is making sure that everyone's staying safe, the operation is going as planned, that the equipment that they need. He's going to be checking in back and forth between the two operations. He's coming up with the plan, and he's going to make sure it's up to him.
Is that their first one?
Firefighter Lehman in the back of the gray car has just made the final cut on that driver's side, that top side of the vehicle. So now all three of those posts on the driver's side of the gray Mazda have now been freed from the car so we can begin to push that roof down to the ground.
And the blue car over here, the crew from Rocky Run Fire Company is continuing to move the doors, on this passenger side. You can hear the metal crack and stretching as they go in and put the tips of this tool in between the hinge. It's going to actually break the hinge right off the car. One door has been removed from the blue car, and they're going to start working on the other one. And on your right, you can now see the roof of the gray Mazda has been folded down. EMS would then enter that vehicle, make sure that any patients inside are treated to, and then they would be removed right out of that giant hole we have now created in that overturned car.
Ready, aim, fire.